June 30th, 2026. Let's get into it. Quick shout out to today's sponsor, Grid Term. Run multiple terminal sessions side by side, perfect for Claude Code or Codex Power users. Gridterm.com, link in the description. Anthropic just dropped Claude Sonnet 5 and made Opus look like a budget mistake. It runs close to Opus 4.8 on agentic tasks at a fraction of the price, $2 per million input tokens and $10 per million output through August 31st. It's already the default on free and pro plans, and it's live in Claude Code. One Zapier engineer said it knocked out a two-part Salesforce job end-to-end that previous models would stall on halfway. The agentic mid-tier just got real. Speaking of big moves, 2 Harvard dropouts just walked out of stealth with $1 billion in chip orders. Etched, the NVIDIA competitor, hit a $5 billion valuation after a $500 million round in December, and TSMC already manufactured their first chip. The cap table is absurd. Peter Thiel, Stanley Druckenmiller, Andre Karpathy, Jeffrey Hinton, Fei-Fei Li. Back in 2023, every major investor passed on their 30-page memo. Now they're shipping frontier inference clusters, and Jensen is definitely watching. Okay, this one is wild. A developer reverse engineered Claude Code and found Anthropic has been secretly watermarking every single prompt you send. It swaps the apostrophe in the date string and tweaks invisible characters so the server can tell when its own client is talking. 1,100 points on Hacker News. The comments are on fire. It's basically prompt steganography. Harmless on paper, but nobody told the users. The same week they launched Sonnet 5, they get caught with their hand in the prompt jar. Meanwhile, Google shipped Nano Banana 2 Lite, which generates images in 4 seconds at 3.5 cents per thousand. That's not a typo. High volume image generation just became basically free. They also launched Gemini Omni Flash at 10 cents per second of video, plus a demo app that turns still images into cinematic e-commerce videos. AI slop has never been cheaper or faster, and Madison Avenue is already drooling. And then there's Amazon, who decided to drop $1 billion on consultants. AWS launched a new forward deployed engineer org, basically embedding their engineers inside customer companies to build agents on site. This copies OpenAI and Anthropic, who already spun up their own FDE plays valued at $4 billion and $1.5 billion. The model came from Palantir, which is hilarious because everyone spent a decade making fun of Palantir for selling engineers as a service. Turns out they were just early. Last one, Hollywood is having a moment. Netflix announced their Willy Wonka reality show will use an 11 Labs AI-generated Gene Wilder voice. The family signed off. The sets are real, but yeah, the chocolatier himself is now a clone. Same day, Weird Al Yankovic told Syracuse.com he walked away from a nice pile of money 1 week before filming a commercial. Turned out the gig was for AI productivity software. His exact words, quote, "I can't be the poster boy for AI, forget it." Weird Al with the cleanest exit of 2026. Don't forget to check out Grid Term, link in the description. That's the show. See you tomorrow.